Hello my friend, welcome to the video. I've bought loads of Croc charms, from things like letters to things like food. Now let's get into opening them up. Alright, this is the first impression of the Croc charms. Let's see how they are. First of all, we have the M&Ms, or what they're called on the thing, new colourful M's. Alright, let's see how the quality is. Feel quite nice, feel quite good. Got the logo correct. I'll see how they look on the Crocs. They seem to fit in well. Those aren't going to come out easily. That's really good. Pretty good. Nice. There we have the Croc M&Ms. We have glow-in-the-dark Croc numbers and letters. Very nice. Nice. Just feel good. Whoa. There's a little bit of packaging there. Not the packaging. Remnants from the factory. But this feels good. Let's see how it looks if I put my name on my Croc. Let's try making the word Monty. They have an interesting rubber smell. Almost. Is this me? These are different colours. This one. I think there might be a mistake there or something. Not sure. Has a nice click. Seems good. Right here we have the Crocs. And it says Monty. Hello, I'm in the darkest room in my house, and we're going to have a look and see if the letters glow in the dark. They do. The only problem with this, with the glow in the dark part, is that some letters glow more than others. For example, the N in here. N doesn't glow quite as much as the rest. And there's one other problem with the letters, and that is that they missed out the W and replaced it with a Z. Alright, over here we have some interesting gaming Croc charms. They look like they're quite cool. Nice. It's a pair of headphones. Right there. Pair of headphones. We have game on. Also have this character, which I'm pretty sure is supposed to be a character from Adventure Time, maybe? I don't know, but it's quite nice. So cool, it's cool. And here, this one's I'm very happy about this one. It's a Rubik's Cube. Here we have a Nintendo Switch controller. I very much like that. If you're on the channel, you'd know that I like Nintendo Switch. I like the Nintendo Switch, and I have one. Arcade machine, quite cool. Rock and roll while holding a controller. I also very much like this. And there's a gun, which is just a gun. And two more things. We have this purple controller and also another Nintendo Switch controller. So we have the full collection. Only thing I'm a bit disappointed about here is that one's bigger than the other. You can tell. Yeah. But it's still quite cool and I like them. Especially the red one. I think the red one's quite a good size and it looks cool. let's put a couple of them on the Croc. Here we have the charms. Let's put some on. Put on that. Feels good. Quality. See this one? So quite nice. Bit big, but I think it looks good. Let's try this. Also nice. This one's really good. I really like that one. And that one. Nice. Also nice. That one there too. Some nice Croc charms. Fit well. Nice on the Crocs. Now here we have a box, which is interesting. Oh, actually, I know what this is. This is quite a cool thing. Quite excited for this piece. Alright. So, I think you will realise what this is. So, guess what this is? This is a Croc light from the Temu. They seem like good metal. Don't seem to be turning on. I think there's instructions in here though. How to use a headlight for Crocs when you receive it. Nice little instructions. So, pretty sure take this off. Then, so I take this piece of paper out. Here we go. Screw this back on. Oh, so there's a rubber seal. Hopefully it's waterproof, which is good. Nice. That's very good. Very nice bright light. Very good. Nice. Alright. Now let's try it on the Croc. Now, let's get this. And put it in like that. And it's very nice. So if I'm camping or anything, put this on my Croc. Nice. And if I just click that, slashing, again, turn off, on. Nice. Alright, what will we get in this? Ta-da! Alright, so here we have some foods. Fast foods, let's see. Oh, they have real brands on this. Not sure if they're supposed to, but that's cool. Nice. Awesome. Really like that donut. And then we have a bowl of some food. I'm pretty sure we don't have this in New Zealand. I think this is something called Chick-fil-A, I'm pretty sure. You can tell me in the comments what this is. Pretty sure this is Chick-fil-A. I've seen it on other YouTube videos. People from America and other countries too. I think this is also Chick-fil-A. An even nicer donut. Kind of like the Simpsons donut on the DVD. And then we have Dunkin' Donuts. Very cool. Very cool. I'm just going to take them all out. Quite a lot on here. Yes, it is. Chick-fil-A. The logo there. We don't have it here. I've never tasted their food, but pretty sure it's quite good because it's popular in America. And here we have some sort of foods. Some donuts. Have Chick-fil-A drink. Another donut. More Dunkin' Donuts, which is nice. And then quite a cool Dunkin' Donut cup. Some more Chick-fil-A food and a Dunkin' drink. on to the next thing. Or actually, I will show you how some of them look on the Croc. Just the Croc. Get the donut, put it there. Nice. Quite nice, quite nice. Now I'm going to show you some of the designs I've came up with my selection of Croc charms. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful or interesting in the quality and all that sort of stuff about Temu and the Croc charms there. And I'm very happy with the outcome, and they all seem to be really good quality. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.